Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about possessive determiners. Let's get started. Possessive determiners. That sounds fancy and complicated, but it's not. Possessive determiners are words like my, your, his, her, and so on. Words that determine possession. We have them in English and of course we also have them in German. Let's take a look at some examples. Mein Hemd ist weiß. My shirt is white. Meine Uhr ist schwarz. My watch is black. Mein Tisch ist klein. My table is small. Meine Augen sind blau. My eyes are blue. Alright, fellow Sherlocks, what you might have figured out by now is that my is mine in German. But when do we use mine and when meine? Of course, it depends on the gender of the noun. You might remember the indefinite articles ein and eine. Let me refresh your mind. Das Hemd ist schön. Ein Hemd ist schön. The shirt is nice. A shirt is nice. Die Uhr ist teuer. Eine Uhr ist teuer. The watch is expensive. A watch is expensive. Der Tisch ist braun. Ein Tisch ist braun. The table is brown. A table is brown. Here we can see that possessive determiners behave just like indefinite articles. For masculine and neutral nouns, we'd use mine. And for feminine nouns, we'd use meine. But what about Augen? Das Auge, the eye, is neutral. Why do we use meine? We use meine since we use the plural here. We're not talking about one eye, but two. And every time we use the plural, no matter whether the noun is feminine, masculine, or neutral, we add the e. But how do we say your, his, her, and so on? Let me show. As you know, my is mine. Your, singular your, is dein. His is sein. Her is ihr. Yes, ihr also means plural you, so this can be a bit confusing, I admit. Give it some time. Its is sein, our is unser, your is euer or eure. Yes, not eure, but eure Uhr. That's one little possessive determiner, which is a bit peculiar. And last but not least, there is also ihr, which doesn't really make it less confusing, again, I admit. Okay, these are possessive determiners, and here are the examples from the start. Mein Hemd ist weiß, meine Uhr ist schwarz, mein Tisch ist plan. Let's add one more just for the fun of it. Ihr seht meinen Tisch. You see my table. It's small, but I hope you do. And suddenly we don't say mine anymore, but why? Yes, it's the damn Akkusativ, that's why. All the forms of the possessive determiners we just talked about belong to the subject of the sentence, which is why we needed their nominative form. But meinen Tisch is the object of the sentence. What do you see? My table. That's why we need the accusative here. Even though forming the accusative for those determiners isn't that hard really, let's sum up what we have learned today. Whenever we use possessive determiners together with the subject of the sentence, like in the examples we just talked about, we need the nominative form. Here we need to keep in mind that masculine and neutral nouns share the same form. And the feminine and plural nouns receive another e. So, my is mine or meine, your is dein or deine, his or its is sein or seine, her but also their is ihr or ihre, our is unser or unsere, and your is euer or eure. Now you know how to tell people what belongs to you. If you want to learn these possessive determiners, just click on the link below for a free exercise. As always, no sign up necessary. For even more explanations, exercises and fun learning games, also for this topic, visit our website at www.wasdas.com. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun German lessons. See you next time. Bye bye.